Let's start with what world literature means to me. It is the collection of stories, ideas, and wisdom from different nations and cultures. Works that speak to our shared human experiences across borders and time. Its main purpose is simple yet powerful. It broadens our view of the world, help us understand people who live differently than we do, and teaches us how to connect, respect, and coexist globally in our industry. This is not just knowledge, it is a vital skill. Now, why this matter for maritime students and professionals? Here are three key reasons. First, cultural awareness. Ships and ports are international spaces. Literature teaches us about different traditions, values, and how people communicate. This avoids misunderstanding and builds trust with crew, port, and partners from every corner of the world. Second, ethical decision making. Many stories explores duties, safety, right and wrong, and responsibility. These lessons guide us when facing tough choices, whether protecting lives, cargo, or the marine environment. Help us act with integrity even under pressure. Third, leadership and teamwork. Literature shows us leaders and teams succeeding or failing based on respect, empathy, and cooperation. On board, where we live and work closely together, these lessons help us unite diverse crews, build strong bonds, and work safely and efficiently as one. Let me share two examples from different cultures. First, the Odyssey by Homer from ancient Greece. It tells of Odysseus sailing across unknown seas, facing storms, strange lands, and many trials. For us, this teaches resilience, adaptability, and leadership essential skills for navigating long voyages, bad weather, and unexpected challenges at sea. Second, the Kon-Tiki expedition by Thor Heyerdahl from Norway. It recounts a dangerous journey across the Pacific, relying on teamwork, courage, and understanding of nature. This work reminds us that trust, cooperation, and respect for the sea and different ways of life are the foundation of every successful voyage. To conclude, studying world literature changed how I see our profession. I realized that being a mariner is not only about technical skills or following rules. It is about being part of a global community connected by the sea. Literature taught me that true professionalism means being culturally sensitive, ethical, and a leader who values every person on board. It turns our work into a meaningful mission of connecting and responsibility across the world oceans.